The fruit of life can't always taste like sweet persimmons. Sometimes it's hard to swallow, I'm afraid. He said, Egbert, life is merely what you make of it. So heed this sound advice. You make wine from sour grapes. You got a flat pancake, hey, call it a grape. And life gives you eggs, bacon, omelet. You get cola from a nut. A dirty worm makes silk from out of his butt. When life gives you eggs, bacon, omelet, omelet. The solution to your troubles is cheese and vegetables and bacon, bacon, omelet. Yeah. Well, this life you should quit. Find another way of looking at it. When life gives you eggs, you gotta make that
when the monarch's dropping by for tea, which, by the way, reminds me, was my invitation lost?
Perhaps the past never got the signals crossed.
Well, in either case, they face disgrace, so let's begin the execution. There will be no pieces of majesty, or will the queen.
Your Majesty is right, of course.
Of course I am the source, and will not settle those who disagree.
We crave a boon from you, my queen, more of our own.
Whether large or small, let all you must be careful what you wish for.
Whether large or small, or none at all.
For the chores and sweep till the floors all clean. Polish and wax, do laundry and mop and shine up. Sweep again, and by then it's like 7:15, and so I'll clean up one, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add a few paintings to my gallery, and then I'll brush and brush and brush and brush my hair to the same place I've always been. And I'll keep wandering, 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 wandering. That's where my life begins.
What's that coming up the road? Out of China, the Black Death, whoa. What's that creeping round your pee-pee and your vagina? The Black Death, whoa. The Black Death, it's gonna get you, it's the Black Death. It's gonna hit you with those blisters, oozing like syrup. That pesky little pestilence is killing half of Europe. It's the Black Death, and it's coming for you. You can sing, you can dance, and you won't soil your pants in your white